Alright, hey gang, I figured we'd do a quick video to show the glass panels that you buy on Amazon and whatnot. In order to adhere those to your LCD, this will be a Galaxy S4 that we're going to show here. You need a very large piece of equipment, as you can see, in order to do this properly. I'll go ahead and set the phone down real quick here. Going to lay this glass in place. Okay, so we got the glass in place over the LCD. The adhesive kit you see that come with it to go around the outer edge, that's not going to adhere the center part. As you can see, look closer there, you can see it's already starting to attach itself. So we're going to go ahead and run this real quick. This is basically a specially designed chamber to attach that LCD and that glass to the front of that LCD with the minimum amount of bubbles as possible. Usually sticks in there pretty good. As you see, we got a few bubbles. We'll put those in a compression chamber and then I'll press that all out. There you have it. So this is what you need in order to use that $5 piece of glass. This machine costs about $13,000 to $15,000. So that's just how we do it here at First Aid Cellular. We do it the right way.